When Neil Armstrong exited the lunar module on July 20th, 1969, and became the first human being to set foot on the moon, he famously said, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." It was one of the most awesome and inspiring moments in history. Through remarkable feats of science and engineering, a man had ventured forth into outer space for mankind, coming in peace as a representative of the noble aspirations and capabilities of the entire human race. Armstrong's sentiment also appeared in the groundbreaking Outer Space Treaty in 1967. It alludes to the common interest of all mankind in the progress of the exploration and use of outer space for peaceful purposes. Today, after half a century of engineering breakthroughs, outer space is rapidly transforming into a commercial resource that is available for the use of all humankind. And, for better or worse, the broadening exploitation of space is exposing the ignoble side of humanity, with the potential for crime, corruption, piracy, and war in space. Indeed, this is already happening, though at a small scale. It's early in space's transformation from noble representation of the best of humanity to a spectacle of its ignobility. But the moment has arrived, and we ignore it at our peril. In this regard, science fiction has been well ahead of practical realities, depicting space as a place where anything goes and anything will. George Lucas saw it coming in 1977, with the notorious bar scene in Star Wars giving us a preview of the dark underbelly of outer space, though Star Trek was already trafficking in space criminality a decade before. Reality is starting to catch up with science fiction, though more quickly than many of us might imagine. As space becomes the site of wealth creation, a process that is already underway, it will almost certainly become the site of criminal activities, including acts of piracy. Are we ready for piracy and crime in space? This is the theme we intend to explore in this book. For some, the idea of bad behavior in space is anathema, an affront to their sense that space should be a zone of human cooperation and heroic endeavor. For others, it has long been clear that space has the potential to become a lawless cesspool, featuring the worst that humanity has to offer. The time has come to reconcile these conflicting views. We will try, suggesting that the best of humanity's institutions, from the law to intelligence services, corporations, the sciences, and the military, can come together to combat what the worst of us may be dreaming up.